In this video, we're going to continue our discussion about working with negative exponents. And here I've got 100b to the 50th power over 200b to the 75th power. And by way of showing you how this works, I'm going to start by separating this out, sort of expanding it, if you will. So let's think about this. Really what this says is 100 multiplied by b to the 50th power. And this says 200 multiplied by b to the 75th power. So I'm going to break that into two parts. I'm going to break that into 100 over 200 multiplied by b to the 50th power over, b to the 75th power. Okay? That's what I've got. All right. So let's look at that fraction first. We've got 100 over 200. Well, 100 over 200, that's going to simplify to 1 over 2. 100 over 200, we're going to simplify those zeros, and we're going to be left with 1/2. And for our exponents, we've got b to the 50th power and b to the 75th power. So this is, of course, going to become b to the 50th power minus the 75, right? b to the 50th minus 75. And from there, I think I'll continue underneath this. I'm going to have 1/2 multiplied by b to the negative 25th power. Okay, so now that I've gotten my fraction simplified and I've subtracted my exponents and I've got my negative exponents, where do I go from here? Well, where I go is here. I've got my 1/2, and I'm going to multiply that by b to the negative 25th would be the same as 1 over b to the 25th power. And what does that end up equaling? That ends up equaling 1 over 2b to the 25th power. So let me walk you through that again, step by step. I started off with 100b to the 50th over 200b to the 75th. And as I said, this is the same as 100 multiplied by b to the 50th power over 200 multiplied by b to the 75th power. I then broke that apart into 100 over 200 multiplied by b to the 50th power over b to the 75th. I simplified the 100 over 200 to 1/2, and then I subtracted my exponents, 50 minus 75. That brought me to here, where I have 1/2 multiplied by b to the negative 25th. That's the same as 1/2, the same 1/2. b to the negative 25th would be the same as 1 over b to the 25th power. And now I'm going to put it back together by multiplying. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, and 2 multiplied by b to the 25th power would be 2b to the 25th power. And that would be how I would simplify this expression.